Do you ever feel like you don't belong? I want you to know today that you belong to God. If you are in Christ, if you've accepted Jesus Christ into your heart, then you belong to God. You're a part of the family of God. You are a child of God. You're a child of the King. You know, you shouldn't want for anything because everything that belongs to God belongs to you. The Bible teaches us that we are joint heirs through Jesus Christ and we are heirs of God. That means we're heirs to the promise of God, to all the promises that God has. We're heirs to the promises of God. That means that all of God's supply, everything that God has, also belongs to us because we are His children. So today, just be encouraged and know this, that everything that you need, you can find in God's supply, in your Father's house, in at your Father's table. Everything that He has belongs to you. So everything that you need today, you can find in Him. Don't worry about anything. All the joy you need, you can find in God. All the hope you need, you can find in God. All the answers that you need today, you can find in God. The wisdom that you need, you can find in God. That question, that thing that you've been searching for and how to do this thing, you can find it in God today. I want you to know that you can do all things through Christ. Until tomorrow, this is Pastor Allen reminding you that God has a plan and a purpose for your life.